Hey guys, welcome to another edition of Raja Can't Seem to Make Any Money. But that's going to change soon, trust me. But hey guys, welcome to Raja Makes Money. Hope all my money makers did good today in the market. If you did good today, you guys are really, really good because what a crazy day. Just huge sell-off again. Is the world ending? What's going on? We got all the stuff in Afghanistan going on, the stuff with China. Do they like Afghanistan? Do they not like Afghanistan? Now Afghanistan has no access to the World Monetary Fund to get their money, so now there's a money crisis. Is the Taliban really going to clean themselves up and cooperate? I think they're going to cooperate to get the Americans out, but who knows? But is it really a change country and or a change organization? Are they going to allow terrorist stuff to go on there? With these COVID booster shots, is that going to save the world? How do we get, all these people who went and got, the first booster shots, these 50%, 60%, how are we going to get, 200 or 150 million people now have to go get another shot? Are we going to have to wait in long lines? Is it going to be an easier scheduling process? Or are they just going to have like a drive-through you can go through and get jabbed? Do you have to is it even anything different than what the first booster was? There is so many questions going around in the world. But the good news is Virgin Virgin and Tesla and all them, we can still spend money and get spaceships to the end of Earth, and you can be an astronaut for an hour or so. But what is going on with this world? It's just insane. But hey guys, let's talk about it. You're watching Raja Makes Money, and you're not going to believe this. I would have made money today except for the fact I got suckered in to one stock, VPRX. And I mean, I would have got in at the right time, or yesterday I would have made a lot of money on the stock. Unfortunately, I got in at the wrong time, down $134,000. Otherwise, I would have been up today. I'm going to show you guys. Everything I did was great, but you know how I am. I like to gamble a little and have some fun. So as you can see here, my hedge on Lucid today, while the stock was only down 1 penny, of course, the market makers played with the long-term price, but they've got to keep it around this $1.40. So they dropped that 30, but I was up 72 grand here. My eHealth, I wish I would have got more of this one. This one's going to be worth $4 or $5. So you watch. This stock is going to $30 by October. But that one was up today, $13,000. Had a terrific day. That's one of my best shorts yet. Jaguar down a penny today, really didn't make a difference. Clover down 12 cents. At one point it was actually up or even. And then IDX actually up today, making a comeback. It was at one point up to $2.27. I was like, you know what? Wow, is this thing really going to come back and do something? But unfortunately for the Raj, I bought 20,000 shares of VPRX at like $34.90 and $31. And before I knew it, it was $27. And I was like, oh, this is going to come back. It bounced around like 26, 28. And I was like, I should just sell and get out of this. And I waited a little bit too longer. And then before I knew it, it was $24. I was like, all right, done. I got to get out of this thing. This is just going to get ugly. And thank God I got out, because after hours right now, VPRX is down to in the 20s. So actually 19s now. So thank God I got out at 24. I'd be down another $100,000. But you never know. What if it would have went up 10 points or 5 points? What would have went up 5 points? It would have made 100. I could have had a huge $200,000 day or something. So unfortunately, the gambling side of me got the best of me on that one, and it didn't pay off, but it's okay. We're still going to make a comeback. Hopefully tomorrow. I mean, we still have $99,000. It's $1 away. I'm hoping that this thing runs. I still have another 1,000 contracts to sell off. I did attempt to sell next week, so I'm hoping it goes up so I can sell them for next week for like 45, 50 cents. If I could sell 10,000 of them at 50 cents, it'll be $500,000 and get us back on track next week. But unfortunately, that did not work out. I did on my other account. We had some good trades. I did ALF today and a few others that did good, but we'll take a look. But guys, what happened to Apple? I mean, what happened to the whole market? I mean, the whole market just tanked today. Dow down 382 points, S&P 47, NASDAQ 130. I mean, look at Apple, guys. This thing, all, highs yesterday, $151, going to the moon. Remember I told you, every time this one gets going, it just crashes. So just crazy. I don't know what happened with it, but came down fast like a rocket ship. But like I said, we've got to figure out what's going on in this world. Look at cryptos all over the map, down a little bit, been as high as 46,000. Coinbase is coming back. Our Cardano's coming back up. It's at, I don't know, it's probably around $2.10 is my guess. I don't like why they don't just show you the price right here. Like you have to click on it and it still doesn't show you the price. It tells you want to trade it. I didn't know what price it's at. But it is, at least it's come back a little bit. So coming up, Dogecoin was around 30 cents last time I checked. But yeah, it's just crazy. Look at some of these. Also, guys, remember I told you about AAPL? That one, after getting slammed in earnings, look at it. It's just skyrocketing. I'm not sure why after hours it's up so strongly. He was on Kramer the other night, and Adam, who was one of the founders of the company, is buying more stock in the company. Definitely, I guess the shares with an equal weight, so neutral, I don't know. Definitely interesting. Like I said, this company has a lot of potential. I know their earnings are good. They are way overvalued, like a lot of stuff. And I was surprised, too, that they lost money. That didn't seem right on that one. Also, guys, Robinhood today with earnings. And I was shocked to see that Robinhood lost money. It went up during the day, but then earnings came out after hours and down more. But they said Robinhood, yeah, losing a lot of money. Crypto, and also they said that they see a slowdown coming in this quarter. And I thought crypto was trading more than ever, and so interesting stuff. But definitely have to keep an eye on that. Tesla today had a hell of a rally. They're coming back strong, up 23 points, but still way down from where it's been. It's just crazy, these movements and stuff. A lot of volatility in the marketplace. So the good news is volatility gets up. That means that my options will go up in price, and there's more premiums, and we can start making some more money on those weekly hedges. Because we got 8 weeks of hedges. We got to nail this thing for the next 8 weeks and take advantage of it. So hopefully it works out. But unfortunately today, like I said, down $134,000. VPRX is where all my losses were, of about 180 grand. Otherwise, I would have been up today. We would have had finally a green day. So I'm hoping tomorrow. Tomorrow I'm not going to do anything except maybe some Lucid calls. But hopefully tomorrow I'll do nothing. This will come down a little bit. If Lucid could go up 50 cents and this could stays about the same, and this goes up a couple of pennies, we could have a really nice day. So you never know where it will be. But that is what's happening. Big shout out to the Mod Squad. Thank you guys for all you do and being in here. And what do you guys got for me today? What do you guys got? Tracy D says volatility can mean big profits. That's right. The more volatile these stocks are, when these option contracts and stuff go up, it's always good. Also tomorrow, guys, I'm pretty sure I'll be live because I don't leave until later in the night. But I am no show on Friday. I will post, let you guys know how the day ends. But and also this is a volatile week because all the monthly options expire on Friday. But I am off to Reno tomorrow night. But you can catch me live, maybe some late night live play from Reno, and then of course Friday and Saturday we'll be live in Reno with everyone coming out to see us. So it should be lots of fun. But what do you guys got for me? Dominic, Raj, I got one for you to consider. LVS, sell 37 puts, buy $40 calls, or just buy the shares. It is trading near 5-year lows. I'm all over it. Good luck to you and your viewers. Let's take a look at that one. LVS, Las Vegas Sands Corporation. So I wonder why that one's trading so low. I thought they sold the Las Vegas Sands, but definitely is near its lows. Interesting what's going on there. So it had poor Q2 performance. That is interesting, especially for the fact that everything in Vegas did so well. How come you don't invest into AMC, Salvatore Piaz? Well, we have invested in AMC, and unfortunately, we made some money in AMC, and then we lost about 900 grand on AMC because when you invest in a stock that gets as high as $85 or $72 and then comes crashing down really fast, I think we got in around the 50s. We did hedge it and stuff, but got out in the, actually, I think we got out around 30 or 49, I don't know, somewhere in there. But I had like 80,000 shares of it, and it dropped 7 or 8 points and did not perform well. So, but you never know when we'll get back into it. Crazy Carl, I'm in the green again. And you know what that means, guys? That means that Crazy Carl is going to send me so many $1 lucky super chats this Friday and Saturday when I'm live in Reno, because he has been stacking cash. But congratulations, Crazy Carl. Crazy Carl is so crazy, you just don't know what he's playing. But he likes Alf, and Alf had a terrific day today, guys. Alf was actually way down and came way back today. Alf was, and look at after hours, it's really on fire. But yeah, Alf today was all the way down to $9. Look at the chart, and came back really strong. Also, another one that came back really strong today was, what else? She's so many stocks I can't even think of all their names that I was watching. Another one that everybody was playing. Hold on. Sophie, S-O-F-I, S-O-F-I. This one today, guys. If you guys been following this one, it's been all over the map. But yeah, this one came back today, up a couple of percentage points, but way down for where it's been. Remember, it got really going and then tanked. So everybody's didn't have the greatest of earnings, but came back and stuff. So lots of them out there to be watching and stuff and playing. I do like this eHealth short. I really want to jump in and get a lot more of that one, but I haven't yet. Just hard to say. You just never know which ones of these, what they're going to do, which are going to really take off and be the big ones to play. So many out there. So what else we got? Yep, Brenda says your eHealth did good. Yeah, EHTH. Guys, this one is going to $10. I mean, this company has no money. I mean, look at this, guys. If you want a chart of a stock that is gone, is going bye-bye, this is it. They are out of money, out of everything, losing money, can't raise more capital. So, as I say, eHealth report on the plight of the unsubsidized ACA consumers tracks 8 years of cost and plan selection trends. Not sure what that means. Yeah, this is gonna get ugly, guys. I told you guys this one. I had inside information that's not really inside information. Just somebody said that who works with them that they can't pay their bills. And Jeff Schwartz, who gave us the hot Jaguar tip, as you guys all know, has another hot tip and says Alf is going to $15 tomorrow. 15 is possible. Jeff also told me that $9 to $10 was possible on Jaguar, so tread lightly on this one, guys. Jeff likes to gamble, I think, a lot worse than me. But Alf is up after hours, so hopefully it keeps going. Back up to that $22, where it was at one point. What do you think of PTON and VOD? Thank you for your streams. Very welcome, trader. Let's see. I like how you did that. TR8DR, trader. PTON. Peloton. If the world locks down again, I think Peloton's going to do well. I think where the world's going, I think Peloton's not going to sell as many bikes in the future. I think Peloton's big profits and everything is going to come obviously from the subscription services. I don't see that one as going a lot higher from where it's been. It's right kind of in the middle of where it's been. Vodafone, don't know a whole lot about that one. Don't really follow it that well. But overall, I think these phone companies have done well. And I mean, it's, $13 to $20. It's in the middle. I think it probably has, could go down $1, could go up $1. I think you're pretty safe if you're just looking for a, long-term investment. It has a decent, dividend yield of 6%. So that one looks pretty good. Chico says PMCB. Pharmacay Biotech. Holy smokes. That one had a good day today. Not sure why it's up so much, but wow, what a day that was. And of course, after hours, down a little bit. But still, when you run that much, that fast, it's always good. Devin, Verb had a good bounce today. I sold most of my position at $3.40. $3.47. Verb, never familiar with that one. Let's see how that one did today. Wow, that's really good if you got out at $3.47. Was it even that high today? Wait a second. $2, wait. Sold most of my position at $3.40. Well, today it only got to $2, so not sure on that one. Maybe what you got out, but hopefully you did good. It's up today, so hopefully that was good. So, Rudy says, where do you see the airlines going in the coming months now that there is an uptick in COVID? I think the airlines will go down. I think that's, you're seeing this sell-off and some stuff. I think that you're going to see... LUV. I don't know why I didn't pull up. I think you're going to keep seeing these come down quite a bit. If you look at the charts, they're starting to pull back. COVID is definitely out there. It's something to worry about and very scary. Jeff Schwartz, I'll be glad to show my percent of profits on my portfolio this year to anyone. Well, we're all excited to see it, and we hope you're making a lot of money because you're coming on the cruise with us in March. So you need to have lots of money to hit that casino. I'm back. Thank you. I think the moneymakers are watching your show. I don't know. I've got them boxed in on CCI or Lucid now. I'm not too worried about it. I'm not too worried about it. I think, like I said, it's a long time off, 8 weeks, and they can't just drop this one. They can do whatever they want, but this is just a little play. They've got to keep this base around 130, 140. So there's a little bit of playroom here, but every week, if we smash them on these, and especially that we're trending down, where I have to be careful is that it doesn't run, and then it becomes a mess. Because if it runs, then you really have to be careful, because if it takes off and then I'm down, I'm selling something below the strike, that's where it can get a little scary. But you still have all these weeks to keep rolling out. Every week you roll out, you're going to pick up another 30, 40, 50 cents. Like I said, no matter what, I'm going to cover this amount of money here, but I obviously want to make money. The way to make money on this is I need to catch, something for, like we caught that 1 week for 800 grand. I need to catch something for 400 or 500 grand, have this just stay stable, and just pick up that 400 or 500 grand, and it'll be nice. And maybe Clove bounces. I want to get out of these. Clove wasn't really going anywhere, so I said screw it, and picked up a little bit of money here, not much, $8,000. Or we'll get called out at Clove. If we get called out at 850, that means made another 40,000 back. I'd like to get out of it. Same with IDX. I just want to be out of it. I even thought about selling the $2 call, because if we don't sell out of this, then it goes another month, and the 250 strike for next month is only like 12 cents right now. So definitely have to really watch it and stuff. Let's see. Cal has a question off topic. Your opinion on Twitch streamers betting 1K a spin on slots every day and even 12-hour streams, fake or real? My opinion would be something probably fishy. I don't know. If you're to support a $1,000 stream. So like when we go to Vegas, or like I've done, the 100 spins at $1,000 and stuff like that, you have to have, a pretty good arsenal to play with. And even if online slots, like we have the Raja free play, even with online slots, you do really well with those percentages. But at the end of the day, the casino's always going to win. So even if they were only working on 1%, online slots are usually, I think, about 94%, 95% in there. They're much better than the casinos, but it's the law of nutrition where it just ends at some point. So, like I always try and explain to people, if you had $100 and the machine, let's say the playback was set to 90%, so 10% hold. If you spin it 100 times at $1, at the end of those 100 spins, you're going to have $90 left. If you spin it 100 times at you spin it 90 times at $1, at the end of those 190 spins, you'll have $81 left. It just keeps going and going and going down until some point you lose it all. So to go 12 hours and not go broke at $1,000 spins, unless you, and that's the other thing, we joke around about this or during my streams, because every stream I've always hit a jackpot pretty much, and we say buying a jackpot. And yes, if you're betting $1 and you win $12, that's the same as me betting $100 and winning $1,200, which is a jackpot. So I'm not going to sit here and argue with you and tell you that there's anything incredible about betting $100 and winning $1,200. It is a jackpot. It's nice, and it gets you 12 more spins. But it is honestly no different than betting $1 and winning $12. And if I told you, hey, you bet $1, you just won $12, you'd probably look at me and say that's not very great, So if somebody is going 12 hours straight betting $1,000 of spins, and they did that every single day or a couple of days a week, I would suspect something is fishy. If they're betting, if they do 4 or 5 spins for $1,000 or something, then I would tell you it's probably not fishy. They're normally just betting like $25. But you definitely have to have a different bankroll when you're betting a lot of higher stuff. So when I'm playing like the $750 Black Widow and Golden Goddess, I can't play that on a $25,000 bankroll because I'm going to get crushed. You almost need to have $100,000 to $150,000 to play at that level and support it, for 2 hours. So a lot of people always ask, yeah, it's great. The money that YouTube or different things pays you. If you're betting $1 or $5 a spin, for an hour show, you may only go through $500, $1,000 at the most. When you're betting $25, $50, $100 and up a spin for an hour or two, like I do in the casinos, you can easily go through $20, $30, $40,000 putting on a show. So you definitely have to be very, very careful with those because, like I said, it goes very, very fast, and you can go through money very quickly. So if somebody is betting $1,000 a spin, I would definitely tell you there's a problem there. Probably not real, but I don't know. It's not me, so hard to say. Jeff Schwartz says, if you are a Patreon, check out the post on my Patreon page, on the Patreon page. Well, guys, there you go. Hurry up, get on over there. And big shout out to all our Patreon members and YouTube sponsors watching. I post all my trades in Patreon in real time as I make them. John says they're probably sponsored by the online casino. Yes, is one. Yazoo is one. Much of it isn't what it seems. Yeah, a lot of those could be sponsored. I mean, obviously, we have our deal. We're not really sponsored. We have, a partnership with them. But, what they, like I said, the payouts are good. The, how they take care of the customers. And your odds are better online, betting. But like I always tell people, bet what you want to bet. I've seen a lot of people win a lot of money. One of our Patreon members won over $100,000. You can win a lot. You can win it really fast, and you can put it all back really fast, just like the stock market. So, let's see. I'm back. Thank you. Pickle can make $1,000 last 24 hours on a penny slot. You can always get lucky and hit the big jackpot. But that's why people like those lock-and-link games and all those machines, because you have those big progressives and stuff. And you can bet, 50 cents and win, $20,000. Roni, GME is the best. We'll go to 500. I don't know what's the best about it. They're not going to make any money this quarter, maybe by the holidays, but this one just keeps coming down and down and down. If you look at the chart and where it's been and, the spikes, I am shocked it's actually staying stable here at 150 right now. I think over time you'll see it'll keep coming down and stuff. So, Mitchell Pilot, how's Brandy? Brandy, my dog, is doing good as of right now. I hope she's still doing good. And she has her new friend, Remy. So they're both full of energy and having lots of fun. But hey, guys, thank you so much for joining us for Raja Makes Money. Like I said, tomorrow, probably have a show since I don't leave until later on, but not positive. Don't want to freak anybody out if there isn't a show. But hey, if it's your first time watching, make sure you click that subscribe button on YouTube. If you're watching on Facebook, make sure you follow me. Let your friends know about us. And hopefully tomorrow we'll turn in a green day. Maybe we get 2 days left. 2 days left in this week. Maybe things will just come together and actually work out. How much longer can I be on a bad streak? And it's such a shame because, like I said, today I would have made money. Just got sucked into that VRPK one, and you got to gamble to make money. But like I said, still got lots of confidence, and I think we'll still have a great turnaround before the end of this year. I'm not giving up, so I hope you guys don't give up on me. But thank you guys so much for watching Raja Makes Money. Best of luck in the markets tomorrow, and I'll see everybody same time, same place. Take care and enjoy the rest.